what are the 6 steps for creating your very own membership academy? Hello, I'm Sarah Cordner, a qualified course creation expert and have a very successful online academy of my own with well over 200,000 student enrollments in. Now, if you want to create your own membership academy so that you have monthly recurring revenue going into your bank account every single month whilst you are serving people in a way that makes you feel full of joy, you're going to want to know what these 6 steps are. Step number 1 is to plan out your offer. What is in your membership? If I'm going to give you my credit card details and allow you to deduct money from it every single month, what am I going to get? You need to be asking yourself, what do I need? What information do I need to go from a complete novice in your area of expertise to being as much of an expert as you are in your area of expertise? What things, if I knocked on your door today and said, help, I really need to get help in this thing, I know nothing, I am in my darkest hour of my darkest day and I need you to help me shine. What would be the first thing you do with me? What would you do next with me? What would you teach me after that? What would I then need to know or master or implement after that? And if I was going to spend a whole year with you, what things would you take me through so that by the end of that 12 months, I felt like I was completely enlightened. I felt like I was completely an expert in your field of expertise, and I felt like you had changed my life in the area that you're an expert in. So plan out, first of all, that product, that model. What stuff am I going to learn? Then you're going to go, okay, if I was going to order all of those topics, number 2 is to put them all in an order. Is what would you teach me in month 1? What would you teach me in month 2? What would you teach me in month 3? Are you going to teach me those particular things by a self-study online course that you're going to drop in that month? Are you going to send me tips every day by email in that particular month to get me through that particular tip? Are you going to do an in-person retreat? Is it going to be a live workshop? Is it going to be a live Q&A session? Once you know what you want to teach me and what order I want to be taught in, you then need to decide, how are we going to teach those different elements? Now, step number 3 is to then take that plan and turn it into an actual physical plan, a map or a schedule of some kind. So the first thing I do is I map out my academy on a simple Excel sheet, right? January, February, March, April, May, June, all the way through to December. And then I plan out my group challenges, my free workshops, my live workshops, my virtual office and accountability sessions that I'm going to run. And I have them all planned out for the whole entire year. So not only do I know what I'm doing it, when I'm doing it, I also know how I'm doing it. Is it self-study course? Is it a live workshop? Is it a group challenge? Is it an accountability session? So you've now planned out, number 1, what the actual membership is going to look like. Number 2, the actual monthly themes, the order it's going to go in. And then number 3, the map, the pathway. So after doing the Excel sheet map, the schedule, that then goes into the membership so people can download and print this. I then get that map made into a beautiful success journey. So this is my Edupreneur success journey, and this is a visual that I produce. It's different every single year, but the same style of all the steps that my people will pass through from step 1 in January, and the pathway that they will follow all the way through down to the pot of treasure at the very end. Do you like it? So it shows them all of the different events that they have, when they're going to do them. It gives them that really clear pathway. So step 1, you've planned your offer. Step 2, you've mapped out your monthly themes. Step 3, you've created your visual pathway. Step 4 is to then actually produce the content. So if you've got self-study online courses, mini courses, any webinars that you're going to pre-record, any workshops that you're going to pre-record, that content now needs to be produced and popped inside the membership. Now, one of the reasons why I love planning the year out is that you really only ever need to be a month ahead of yourself. So it can feel overwhelming when you see all these courses and trainings and workshops and things that you need to prepare. But really, you only need to prepare next month's, just in time for next month. So it keeps you really organized. And a bit of a side point here, the other thing that's great about that is it also is going to then structure for you your marketing and all of your social media content. If I'm teaching, I don't know, Facebook ads, ads next month. I know that all of my social media content this month needs to be around Facebook ads and advertising, because I'm going to attract in people who are interested in that topic right now, and it's a perfect feeder for me to go, oh, I actually happen to have a whole course on this next month, come and join it. That would be the call to action on all of the marketing material. So having this plan and visual pathway is fantastic, not just for your students and gets you more people signing up because they see the value they're going to get. It also helps you stay nice and organized as well. So go and record your content, film those videos, start preparing any documents or workbooks or sheets or templates or resources, whatever it is that you need to create, and start getting all of those ready. That is your fourth step. Step number 5 is to then go and get yourself a course creation platform where you can actually host your membership, and you need to start uploading all of that content too. My absolute favorite and number one recommendation for a platform is techmatics.com. This particular platform is an all-in-one online business and course creation platform. It's the most feature rich on the market out there and is the most affordable. It completely replaces Kajabi, Thinkific, ActiveCampaign, Calendly, appointment booking, social media schedulers, ClickFunnels. It does all your funnels for you. It does websites. It does way more than I can possibly share in this short video. Go and check it out on a free trial, techmatics.com. So you're going to need to go in there, create your account, and actually start uploading all of your course content, your membership vault area, and set that price on there to a recurring monthly fee. Step number 6 is to then create your landing page or sales page for your membership. This is where you're going to describe everything that they get in your membership. What is it that they're going to experience? What results are they going to achieve? What new skills will they learn? What new knowledge will they acquire? How will they feel as they move through your program? Where will they gain confidence? What limitations and problems are going to be removed from their lives? Really break down every single thing that's included so people can see exactly what they're going to get from your membership. So create that landing page. You're then going to obviously add the buy button that will connect to your Techmatics account. Now, by the way, if you are using Techmatics, we already have pre-built landing pages and funnel pages all inside the account for you. So it can all also be branded in your branding with your own custom domains as well. Ding! Once you've created the landing page, you've connected it to your buy button, which is super easy to do, and all the trainings provided. You then want to create an email automation that will then instantly welcome that person to your membership and give them some direction as to what courses they're going to create, maybe load the schedule in so they can see what's coming up in the schedule, and also create that automation so it automatically checks in with them at a frequency that you choose, maybe once a month to let them know what's coming up next month, and so on. That, my friends, is step number 6, is just getting that final bit of tech together. Now, if you want help getting your tech set up, if you join Techmatics, you actually get a free 60-minute onboarding call with one of the tech experts who can help set up your account for you. Also, we do Zoom calls. I also can do Zoom calls with you to help set your tech up as well. You can also hire my tech experts for just $50 an hour. You can actually go in, sit on a Zoom call with you, set up your landing pages, connect your course. But trust me, you follow the tutorial videos that are in there, you're going to be absolutely fine. So there we have it. They are the 6 steps to creating your own membership academy. And if you really want to get this working this year, come and join the Edupreneur Academy at sarahcorden.com/academy. You'll have yours up and running in no time. I'll see you there.